everybody. This is Mrs. Sharp. I'm going to be reading a book called Migration. Before I read the book, I want to talk about our targets today. Our target today is I can identify how animals change their environment to meet their needs. Some questions that we're going to talk about today are how do animals change their environment to fit their needs? And what do animals change to meet their needs every season? Also, what are some examples of how animals change to meet their needs? So our story today is Migration by Robin Nelson. Many animals move from one home to another. They move with the seasons. These birds live in one place for part of the year. Then they go to live in another place for part of the year. This cycle is called migration. A cycle is a pattern that happens over and over again. In the fall, birds migrate south to warmer places. In the spring, they migrate back north. Monarch butterflies also migrate to keep warm. Some fly from Canada all the way to Mexico. In the spring, whales migrate to cold water to eat. In the fall, they swim to warm water to have families. Salmon are born in rivers and migrate to the ocean. They migrate back to the river to have their young. Many animals migrate from place to place. They migrate to find food or to have young. Here's an example. Alright, some fun facts about migration. Animals migrate to be warm, to look for food, or to have families. Most birds migrate in flocks or groups of birds. Caribou or reindeer migrate in a group called a herd. Gray whales migrate the longest distance. Gray whales migrate in groups called pods. Every year, monarch butterflies land in the same trees in Mexico. When monarch butterflies migrate, they fly alone during the day. They rest in groups at night.